company can have one board of directors. Board of directors can have one company. It is associated with the companies. Okay, so one company, one board of directors. Board of directors are going to be present in one particular company. Then the offices will be there. Okay, 0 or one office. More than 0 or more employees are going to be present in that. The employees, 0 or more employees are working in the 0 to 1 companies. Means minimum one company must be there in that, so that the employees are going to be there. So if in the office there is no employees are there, means it is nothing but the person owning of that particular company, he himself is the employee and he is working in that particular office. Then persons, number of persons in the board of directors is going to be 0 to 0 or 3 to 8 members. Okay, so board of directors can have 0 or more board of directors are going to be present for that. So board of directors can have 0 persons or 3 to 4, 3 to 8 members in the board of directors environment. Okay, so they will be going to have it. Made one relationships here. Bank has many ATMs. ATM is only one bank. Directions are very clear here. ATM is there, bank is there. ATMs are 0 or more. Okay. Bank has many ATMs. Many ATMs are there. Bank has only one bank. Okay. Many to one. A relationship that you can able to build. Okay. Widening the associations. Okay. Here, this star is there here. Is missed here actually. 0 or more employees works for one company. More employees work for one company. A company can have 0 or more employees. Many to many. So here now he is saying that secretary can work for many managers. This is secretary. Can work for many managers. One or more managers. Okay. Then manager can have many secretaries. This manager can have many secretaries. Managers can have a group of secretaries. 1, 2, 3 group of secretaries that we won't have. Some managers might have 0 secretaries. There is no secretaries not needed. Okay. So like that. So you can have this particular relationships in the association. 1 to 1. One company is having one board of directors. One board of director, the company have only one board of directors. It has been said in this. For each company there is exactly one board of directors. The board of directors, only one board, only one company. Company must always have the one board. Board must always be of some company. So it is saying that in this, the relationships, association relationships, these things can be applicable for this particular diagram. Anything that you want, so that you can able to accept that information in this. Okay. Okay. A relationship between the student and the instructor. One student can have one instructor. Okay. An instructor can have 0 or more students. Okay. Or you can say that 1 or more students. Okay. So this one dot star here, 1 dot star, that also you can have it, because one student, one instructor, or one student, many instructors. Okay, different instructors can communicate. Then student and instructor, the same functionality is going to be, indicates that student has 1 or more instructors. Student can have 1 or more instructors. It is also possible. Now the role of object, these two are the objects again, the student and the instructor. Student can learn from 1 or more instructors. The instructors can teach to 1 or more students. Okay. Then student can have one instructor. Instructor can have more than one students. Okay, so it depends upon the application, that how it is going to be going to work, and that's why in the relation, that is the object-oriented concepts, these things are going to be plays an important role for the designing of the objects, designing of the classes. Okay, and by seeing this one only we can able to design, and easily it is going to get executed by the developer. Multiplicity constraints, there are so many constraints are going to be there here. Okay, too many. It's a complex nature of designing the class. Okay, see here it is just missing here some of the points. 0 or more students are going to be there for which takes the class in the section. Okay, so instructors are going to teach us for the 0 to 6 students. Okay, then class sections will be there, and they will going to teach for them. Then class sections will be held for the duration in the semester. Okay, one semester, one class, that it is sections are going to be present. The student can register for one particular course, one particular semester. Okay, then a class section is the instance of that particular course. Okay, then course can have the in the department, one department can have more than one courses. Okay, then instructors, more than one instructors will be present in the one department. Department works for the instructors, 0 or one or more instructors. So like that the instructions are going to be written so that it is easy to follow for the developer to understand, and he is going to work for the application. Another example here, association end rules. This is going to be this is nothing but ends. Okay, employees, employer, already we have seen. Association have ends, nothing but this one. Okay, so here whatever we work, we will write that it is the statement. It is going to be person works for company, 0 or more company, 0 or one company, that he is going to work. A company gives the employment for the person. Okay, the person is an employee, he is going to give 0 or more employees are going to be present in that. Okay, so like this the descriptions way that if it has been written, it is easy to understand and you can able to make it. So here is one example. Wrongly it is being mentioned. Okay, parent and the child. Okay, association is wrong. So instead of like this, he should be mentioned in this manner. Parent 0 or there is more than one children, 0 or more children are going to be present for the person. Okay, the parent is going to have 0 or 2 parents. Okay. Okay, there is a association is going to have the ordering, bag and sequence. These 3 things are there. What do you mean by ordering? Ordering is nothing but the way in which it is represented. Okay, that is ordered. Okay, a screen is being having 0 or more orders for the windows. Okay, so there's only one window is going to be visible. If you are going to see the 2-3 windows, if you are going to open, then which window that you will be going to see? The last one which you have been opened, that is going to be seen first, then the previous one, then the previous one. Okay, this order is being maintained, visuality of the order. Okay, the sequence is also going to be mentioned. Okay, sequence is also going to be mentioned, so you should be able to write that. And if you are going to write, then only the association is going to be possible. Okay, sequence is nothing but a bag is nothing but a collection of elements with the duplications are going to be allowed in the bag. But in the sequence there is no duplications. Okay, order collections of elements with duplicates allowed. Okay, sequence is also on there, but duplicates are going to be allowed over there. So it's nothing but more than one